This AI writes emails better than most humans. Most emails are too long, too awkward, or get ignored. And writing them wastes more time than people admit. This is where AI steps in. Modern applications focus on shifting human effort from repetitive execution to high-level strategy and oversight. You describe the situation in one sentence. The AI writes a clear, polite, professional email in seconds. Compare this to a typical human-written email. The AI version is shorter, clearer, and actually gets replies. This works for work emails, customer support, school, or everyday messages. And it's completely free to use. Once you use this, it's hard to go back. Follow for more AI tools that actually save time.